Assalamualaikum. Today we have to start exercise 6b. We have done question number 4, 5, 10 and 11. First we start from question number 6. Question number 6 is there this question in the form of equation because there is equal sign between two expression, between two fractional expression, fractional algebraic expression. These values in the form of fractions, there is numerator and there is also denominator. That's why this is called fractional algebraic expression. Got it? But there is equal sign, so this is equation, not expression. In expression there is not equal sign. expression में equal sign exist नहीं करता. ओके इफ़ अगर हमारे पास इक्वल साइन आ गया इट्स मीन देयर इज इक्वेशन. यहाँ पे इक्वेशन है, फ्रैक्शनल इक्वेशन है. गोट इट. हम इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करेंगे. स्टेटमेंट इज सॉल्व ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस. इक्वेशन आर गिवन. नाउ वी सॉल्व इट. फर्स्ट वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट पार्ट. ए पार्ट इज ए डिवाइड a+2 equal to 3/5. Exercise 60. Question number 6. A part is a divide a+2 equal to 3/5. Got it? There is left hand side and there is also left hand side in the form of fraction. Now we solve it. Now we take cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means this numerator multiplied by this denominator and this numerator multiplied by this denominator. Just like a multiplied by 5 equal to this one equal to as it is, and 3 multiplied by a+2. This is called cross multiplication. Now there is equal sign, so that we can't put here. Okay, 5 1 the 5 5a equal to 3 multiplied by a, then we get 3a plus 3 multiplied by 2, there is plus 3 multiplied by 2, then we get 6. Got it? Now we combine like term, just like 5a 3a convert into here, there is plus 3. When we convert into the other side it will be minus 3a equal to 6. Now we subtract this 5 minus 3, then we get 2a equal to 6. 2 is multiplied by with a, when we convert into the other side it will be divided with 6. 2 1 da 2, 2 3 da 6, so a equal to 3. This is your answer. It is very simple. Got it? B part is same. 1 multiplied by b minus 1, similarly 2 multiplied by b minus 2, cross multiplication. Got it? Now you come on part C. Part C is 4 divide c plus 3 minus 3 divide c plus 2 equal to 0. Got it? First you write solution. 4 divide c plus 3. This fraction in the form of minus sign, when we convert whole fraction into the other side it will be plus. 0 plus 3 divide c plus 2. When this fraction convert into the other side it will be plus. 4 divide c plus 3 equal to 3 divide c plus 2. Now we multiply by 4 multiplied by c plus 2, this is cross multiplication, and 3 multiplied by c plus 3. Okay, now we solve by cross multiplication. Okay, now you solve it and find out your answer. Similarly D part is as it is. Now you come on E part. I will tell you about E part. E part is 6 divide f minus 10 divide 3f equal to 2. First we take LCM because these values are same, because there is f and there is also f. That's why we solve these two fractions. Got it? Now we take LCM of the denominator f and 3f. Then we get 3f. When we take the LCM of denominator, numerator 6 as it is, numerator 6 as it is, and there is f and there is also f. These are cancelled. There is 3, but there is no 3 in denominator. That's why we multiply by with 3. Got it? Now you come on next fraction. 3f cancel with 3f. Whole 3f and 3f are cancelled. No numerator, no denominator will be here after cancellation. So minus 10 as it is equal to 2. 6 3 the 18 minus 10 equal to 3f equal to divided by 3f equal to 2. When we subtract this 18 minus 10, then we get 8 divide 3f equal to 2. Here 3f multiply with 2, when we convert into the other side it will be divide. 3f divide with 8, when we convert into other side it will be divide with 2. Got it? 8 as it is, 3 to the 6f. Again we find the value of f. 6 is multiplied by with f, when we convert into other side it will be divide. Now we cancel this. 2 3 the 6 and 2 4 the 8, so f equal to 4 by 3. This is your answer. This answer will be converted into in the form of mixed fraction, just like 4 and 3, 3 1 the 3. So the answer is 1 into 1 by 3. How we write it? Quotient, remainder, divisor. We follow this method to write the answer into the mixed fraction. Quotient, remainder, divisor. Got it? Quotient, remainder and divisor. 1 into 1 by 3. This is your answer. Got it? Okay class, now you come on next part, f part. F part consists of 3 fractions. First fraction is 5 by 6h, second fraction is 6 by 7h, and last fraction is 9 by 14h equal to 4. So this is f part. Got it? Now we take the LCM of denominators. Denominators are 6, 7 and 14. We take the LCM of 6, 7 and 14. 2 3 the 6, 7 as it is, 2 7 the 14. Again 3 1 the 3, 7 as it is, 7 as it is, 7 1 as it is, 7 1 the 7, 7 1 the 7. Okay, now 2 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 7, just like here 2 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 7. 2 multiplied by 3, then we get 6 multiplied by 7, 7 to the 7 6 the 6 7 the 42. So the value of LCM is 42. We write here 42h. Because there is h, there is also h and there is also h, that's why we put h with 42. Now you come on next. Now here there is 5 as it is, numerator as it is. There is h and there is also h. They are cancelled. 6 1 the 6, 6 7 the 42. Now you come on denominator. 6 1 the 6, 6 7 the 42. That's why we multiply by with 7 with 5. Got it? Now you come on next fraction. Similarly h are cancelled. 7 1 the 7, 7 6 the 42. Numerator 6 as it is, 7 6 the 42. Now you come on next fraction. h are cancelled. 9 as it is, h are cancelled. 14 3 the 42. Got it? Equal to 4 as it is. Now we multiply by these, just like 5 multiplied by 7, then we get 35. 6 multiplied by 6, then we get 36. Minus 9 multiplied by 3, then we get 27. Divide 42h equal to 4. Okay? When we solve this, 35 plus 36 minus 27, then we get 44. Divide 42h equal to 4. Now this 42h multiply by with 4. When we convert 42h, convert into other side. Now 44h convert into other side, it will be divided with 4. Now 42 multiplied by 8, then we get 142 multiplied by 8, then we get 168. 168 multiplied by with h, when we convert into other side will be divided, just like here 44 divide 168. Now we cancel with the table of 2. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8. h equal to 22 by 84. Again 2 1 the 2, 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8, 2 to the 4. So answer is 11 by 42. It is very simple and easy way. Got it? After f part, g part is as it is. This fraction minus 1 over 2k plus h, and this is 3 into k plus 1. First we take common from this one, just like 3 into k plus 1 minus 1 into 2 k plus 2 equal to 5. 3 into k plus 1 minus 1 over we take common 2, so k plus 1 as it is equal to 5. Now we take LCM of 2 into k plus 1. Got it? Numerator as it is 3. There is k plus 1, there is k plus 1, they are cancelled. There is 2 in denominator, there is no 2, that way we multiply by with 2. Minus 1, these are whole cancel, there is no remaining after cancellation, no remaining value, equal to 5. 3 to the 6 minus 1, divide 2 into k plus 1 equal to 5, and 6 minus 1, then we get 5. 2 into k plus 1 equal to 5. Got it? Now this denominator multiply by with 5 and find out your answer. Now you find out your answer. It is very simple and easy. Okay, find out your answer and write here. Thank you.